Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take a selfie with your hand. Just by showing your hand, you can easily take selfie. Okay, instead of touching on the camera shutter button, you can easily show off your camera, show off your hand to camera, and then it will be easily taking the selfie. Okay, see here how to do it. Go to the camera of your phone, then go to the settings of the camera here, and then go to shooting methods, and here one option is available, show palm. Just turn on this button, show your palm to the camera to take a selfie. Okay, so now go to camera, open camera, and flip to the front camera and show your palm. Okay, yes, it's taken. See here. Yes, I uh, open the picture. Okay, this is selfie. So in this way you can easily take selfie by showing your palm only. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.